saw it over here. Located. You might be full in this section. You are full in this section. Okay, we have to go to the extras page.
What's the extras?
Well, because your section, there's regional, and then that section is full, so we have to use your extras. You want one on your hand? Yeah? In Yunque National Forest.
What, Dad?
Wow, very cool.
Forest.
Where do you want to go?
Into the forest.
Let's go check it out.
The forest.
Hey baby, where are we?
We're in Puerto Rico in El Yunque National Forest.
I love the accent that you put on it. Man.
Ooh, look at the top of that tree. Yeah, it looks like, is that a fern? I've never seen a fern like that before. Do you see the top of it?
It's a really tall fern.
Super tall fern. You hear the birds in the background?
You know, it's funny because it was raining before we got here, but now it's like nice blue sky,
Yes,
which is kind of,
yes.
which is what you want when you
Hot.
visit a rainforest. You don't want it to actually rain on you.
Yeah, hot and humid. Maybe you welcome a rain every once in a while when it gets hot.
We are surrounded by jungle plants. There's fruits that we haven't really identified yet. There are some parrots that are on display, some parakeets. And so far we've enjoyed just exploring the visitor center, but now let's check out the rest of the jungle, right?
You ready to go?
All right.
I think she's excited.
You got me one of those bananas?
Those aren't ripe yet. They're not yellow.
Free, please.
No, no.
But I like that you recognize they're bananas.
You see that? That plant is called a bird of paradise. And they're beautiful, and they take at least 3 or 4 years before they bloom the first time. There's some over there underneath the banana too. Here's one up close. It hasn't bloomed all the way. Don't pull or pick it. Just look at it. There's some yellow bird of paradise, and then there's a bunch of red back there. See that? No, baby, we're in a national forest. You have to preserve it.
Those are coffee plants, aren't they? Right over there?
Coffee grows from a plant?
That's right, it does. Remember, everything we eat is either a plant or an animal.
Chocolate comes from an animal or a plant?
Chocolate comes from a plant. It comes from a plant called the cocoa bean, and it actually grows around here.
You think we'll find some chocolate?
I don't know. We'll have to look. Luminescent fungi here. Look at these. Look at the pictures. At nighttime, they have mushrooms that glow in the dark. Brian, I think this could be in the Laughing Cure or the Art of Taking It Easy 2.0.
What's that?
It says El Bosque Sañador, the healing forest.
What does that mean?
It means the healing forest. Being in a forest strengthens our immune system, reduces blood pressure, increases energy, and can boost your mood.
You know, people pay good money for mindful meditation practices. All they need to do is just come to El Yunque, save a few bucks, meditate amongst the trees.
Mom, look. What? You see this other thing? See, there's some more, there's another snail up there.
Take pictures of the fence.
If you look up on this tree, there's a bunch of snails all in there, those
Look
little
at
round
picture.
things. Remember that big fern that I said I never saw one that big before? This is how it starts, look. And right here in the middle, see how it's like a little curl? That's going to become a leaf, a branch, just like this. But that's how it starts. And they call this a fiddle head, because the instrument of a fiddle is curled up like that too. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to take a picture of the waterfall?
Yep. I'm going to take the first thing.
Take a deep breath.
Oh, smells like nut. Oh.
Wow.
Isn't that amazing?
What does that smell other than just fresh?
This waterfall is called Coco Falls.
Oh, falls like Coco.
Yeah.
What do you think of
Now
that
let's
waterfall?
Just climb up to there.
What do you think of the waterfall?
Love it.
Pretty cool,
We
huh?
climb up to there now.
Hi, Alyssa. Hi, Sarah. What was that like, Alyssa?
Climbing a coconut tree.
No, it was like climbing a coconut tree? Maybe that's why it's called Coco Falls. Or Coca Falls it is.
I bet there's a better view from that tower.
I bet.
We'll see.
Let's go find out, shall we?
I'm gonna take a picture from all the way up to from the top
Okay.
to the bottom. And then zoom up like it's more far away. Not all the way to the bottom. I'm going to take it from the top.
Okay.
I think this might be the top. What'd you think of that climb?
That was easy.
Be easier than the waterfall, I'd imagine,
Way
huh?
easier, yeah.
Dad, take a look me up.
Yep. Hey, Alyssa, what do you see way up there?
Mountains,
What else?
mountains, trees,
Yeah.
buses.
We're pretty high up,
Now,
huh?
not pretty. I got so close and it didn't run away very fast.
Ooh, did you see him jump? That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Wait till Alyssa sees what's at the end of this trail, huh?
Whoa! Wiggle your toes again! Don't do that because it doesn't work. The bubbles?
Yeah. We are in a water
A
hole.
waterfall, also known as a swimming place, with a huge waterfall. Which place are we in? What's the name of this place?
The name of the city?
Hey, Yunque.
A Yunque.
in the jungle, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see what's over there. All right. You want to walk over there? You want to walk over there?
I'm not going to eat it,
Do you
though.
want to take this and film me doing it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, hey folks, I hope you enjoyed our little trip to El Yunque. That's been another episode of...
Elsa, Brian, and Sarah.
Sarah, Brian, and Alyssa.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.